What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. If you've accidentally deleted a conversation on Messenger, there are a couple of things you can try to get those messages back. First, check your archived chats. Sometimes, messages aren't deleted, but they're simply archived. To verify this, open the Messenger app, tap on the 3 horizontal bars in the bottom right corner, and then tap on Archive. Browse to your archived conversations and see if the message you're looking for is there. If it is, tap to open it and scroll through to find what you need. If you don't find your message there, try the second method, which involves downloading your Facebook data. Open Facebook on your device and make sure you're logged in with your account. Tap the menu button on the bottom right, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. At the top, tap on Account Center. In the Account Center window, scroll down and find the Your Information section. Tap on Download Profile Information. Choose your Meta account, which is your Facebook account in this case, and then tap on Next. On the next page, select specific types of information to download and then proceed to checkmark the Messages option. You can go through other options and select them if you wish. Once done, tap on Next and then select Download to Device. On the download screen, make sure the format is set to HTML as it's easier to read. Choose a complete copy, adjust the date range if needed, and confirm the email address where you want to receive the download link. Tap Create Files to request your data. It might take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes for Facebook to prepare the file. Once it's ready, return to the same section and tap Download. You'll need to enter your password again to begin downloading. When the zip file finishes downloading, locate it using your Files app. If you're on iPhone, open the Files app, tap Browse at the bottom, go to On My iPhone, and then open the Downloads folder. Tap the zip file to extract it, and then open a new folder. Inside, navigate to your activity across Facebook, then tap Messages, and then Inbox. You will see a list of your conversations. Open any chat folder and tap the HTML file inside to view the messages. Look through them to check if your deleted messages are still saved in this backup. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.